Hi, I'm Greg Cook, and I'd like to welcome you to a DVD program. We're going to talk about corrective exercise and movement prep. Now, if you're a personal trainer or strength coach or even an athletic trainer working on the warm-up or pre-exercise stuff, pre-workout, pre-training stuff, movement prep is key. It takes the place of conventional stretching, it takes the place of conventional warm-up, and it gives you an opportunity to get the physiology of the body up, but it also rehearses the movement patterns that are so important to good training. Now, if you're a physical therapist, you're working in rehabilitation, you're an athletic trainer on the other end of the spectrum, working rehab, you need to do some corrective exercise. Many times after an injury, it's not just the ankle that's injured, it's the entire movement pattern around that ankle. So you may get the ankle well, range of motion's back, muscle tone's back, but you've lost the deep squat pattern. You've lost the ability to lunge or pivot on that foot. And what you need to do is corrective exercise. So instead of making two separate programs, you guys working on the fitness performance end, use this as movement prep. You guys working on the rehab end, it's corrective exercise. But you're working on the same body, same neurological system, and same movement pattern problems. Now, if you're looking at the DVD, you're doing the right thing, because the next thing you've got is a CD in the package, and that CD basically is full of Adobe files, one-page documents that basically you let the athlete, the patient, the client, or whoever take and use this as movement prep prior to the workout so that you can spend more of your workout time actually accomplishing goals. This is their homework. This is the stuff they do to clean up movement patterns. So if you will basically remove the negatives, all the negatives that can interfere with core training and cause the core to compensate, cause the spine to compensate, and quit focusing on let's add a positive to the program, remove those negatives, and I think you'll see the essence of core training is what I'm talking about. That's why every one of these exercises, whether we call them movement prep or corrective exercise, leads right into what I call our core program. In this DVD, you're going to see three forms of exercise that we do with tubing, three different categories, and they're going to be spelled out on the sheets that you can print off. One is assisted exercise, and that's actually using resistance as assistance. We're going to make an exercise easier so somebody can do more reps, have more motor learning, and get through a pattern that they may not be proficient with a set of training wheels, basically. The next is RNT, stands for reactive neuromuscular training. And we're going to exaggerate the mistake. And you're going to see many, many examples of this, but I wanted you to have a little bit of a definition of what we're talking about. In each exercise, we're going to take the common flaw, and once somebody can do it but may not be proprioceptively aware, may not have the body awareness to know they're making a mistake, we're going to exaggerate that mistake and use the tubing to set them up for motor learning. Instead of us coaching them through a pattern, we're going to let the tubing exaggerate the mistake, they correct the mistake and feel it at a proprioceptive level. And the last is simple resistance. We're going to turn around, and once we've corrected a movement pattern, we're going to load it simply to reinforce it. Now we're going to talk about the lunge, and this is almost a pet peeve of mine because I see people working on the lunge in the gym, and they definitely should be working on the lunge. Whether you're a weekend warrior in field and court sports, whether you're doing rehab, trying to learn how to decelerate on that knee, or whether you're trying to build some good quads, the lunge is a very important exercise. But doing a walking lunge before you have correct form is only going to feed into a very, very poor pattern. And I see people doing walking lunges with dumbbells and things like that, and they've got a lot of back motion in there. This should be a hip move. Your core should be stable, your trunk should be stable, your spine should be upright, and you should be hammering your legs with this. The deadlift is very intimidating to people who don't work with weightlifters. Personal trainers who don't do a lot of free weight stuff, physical therapists who don't have a weightlifting background, neglect the deadlift. And it is one of the best core stabilizing things because it requires a rigid spine, a stable core, and hip movement. That's what the whole point of core training is. Stay stable here, stay mobile here, power comes from here. This protects the spine, this balances the body, keeps the center of mass over the base of support. Well, there you have it. That's corrective exercise, that's movement prep. You've only scratched the surface because what's on the CD-ROM is about 3 times more than what you've seen on the DVD. The DVD was just so you'd feel comfortable with the tubing, so you'd see the way we use it with the wall pulley system. Everything you have on the CD-ROM is in an Adobe file. It shows you how to use it off the door. That's great to come to the gym with you, so as a trainer, you can pull this out of the gym bag and do some corrective movement stuff. Hands off, you're using the tubing as a verbal and visual cue to help get proprioception where you need it. Then you can take them right into exercise. So we found that using this, it's a much more durable piece of elastic than what we used to give out in the clinic, and we want to encourage people, I don't want you just exercising 2 weeks after I show you how to do corrective movement. You're going to need the exercise more than that. The stuff is holding up. If you want more information about some of our products, go to functionalmovement.com. I did a book called Athletic Body and Balance. The posters are excellent to put up in the gym or the clinic and demonstrate to somebody the way we test movement patterns and do movement correction. We've got a lot of other products out there for strength coaches and personal trainers. So visit the website, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.